Hello and welcome. Today we are doing a jar tutorial. I'm going to show you how to make a really good Christmas present for friends and family, which is going to be a little jar of snow globe. Yay! Homemade gifts are the best, very thoughtful, very nice, and they will appreciate the effort you've put into this. Also, this is my first proper video, so thank you for joining me here. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I think you will. It's going to be fun. If you're a crafty person, you're going to love this, and if you love Rainbow Dash, you're gonna freaking love this. Also, I hope you guys like my setup here. Very crafty, all my equipment that we need. Yeah, and we have 2 Rainbow Dashes, you know. I was actually going to use, I'm gonna use one of these little things for this, but decided no, because I think I could put something better in here. Wonder what character this is gonna be, guys. Let me scooch this down a little bit. No way! Rainbow Dash! Rainbow Dash! Whoosh, whoosh. I kind of hurt her actually. Youch. I actually have a really cool jar myself. So this is the jar we have for today. I could have splashed out for a bigger one and put something better inside. But this is what we have. It's a cute little jar, cute little bow on there. Very nice glass jar. Now a good contender for the jar was the miniature FNAF crew we got going on here. But I think we could do better. Yeah. Today's victim is actually from, move that out of the way again, from these over here, which can I say, fucking love these things. I need more of these. I actually bought the entire box we can see, and the Fluttershy that is trapped forever. I actually almost have the full set of these. I'm missing Trixie, Glow Rainbow Dash, and Glow Twilight, but I have everyone else. Yeah, I bought the whole box. I have so many doubles of these as well. I bought like way too many, and the shopkeeper let me keep the box, which is nice because a lot of places don't let me do that. Oh yeah, this tin is actually, oh my god, this tin is full of the entire set that's in these things, but not the doubles though, just the original set thing. I don't know how to explain that, but you get what I mean. But I do have one to sacrifice. Also, aren't these things so cool? They're so fun. Watch this. How does she do? Whoa! That's crazy. I love how they do this though. I kind of want to release. I want to release all of them from their containment, but not yet. Yes, I thought this would be the perfect Rainbow Dash for the jar because she'll always stay standing. You don't have to like glue her down or anything. But yeah, let's get on to the craft of this. So for ingredients, you're gonna need water, a jar, something to put in the jar. I also have like murky paint water. I'm gonna put some. Wait. I'm actually going to put some brown paint inside of this to kind of add to its... I don't know, I feel like it kind of needs to be that kind of colour. I should might add some yellow as well. I feel like it needs yellow. Searching for yellow paint. We have yellow paint. I feel like if you know the image, you know. And it needs a bit of a... Oh. There we go. We need a bit of we need to recreate the colour from the original image, kind of. It's not perfect, but it'll do. So yeah, we'll also need these to like, instead of pouring the water, so if they want to spill the water everywhere. So I should have picked a jar with a different lid. I feel like the water's going to absorb it. The liquids. I should have chosen a better jar. I feel like the liquids are going to absorb into the, oh my god, the lid of this. But we'll see. If you want to conceal it shut forever, you also need a glue. But maybe you want to open it every now and again. So yeah, let's get freaking to it. So first you put in your little figure. Oh, grooving in there. I'm gonna use this little sciencey thing to put the water in. Oh, that is perfect. Wow. It's gonna take way too long actually. I should have gotten like a jug or something. Ew! I did not mix that very well. That looks gross, dude. It's like yellow on the bottom of that. Ew. Try and mix that up, actually. There we go. Oh, it squirted. Oops. I wasn't really looking at where that was going. This is taking too long, actually. I want to get the... Oh, okay. Should I pour it in, actually? Let's see if I try not to spill it, though. Oh, make sure the camera can see that. Let's see if you can pour this in without spilling it. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's not very... It's not very clear, actually. That's so bad. Oh, I just spilled it. Pause. Okay, I'm back with some kitchen roll and more water. This video's gonna be a fucking disaster. I don't even know if this is worth posting, but if you're seeing this, then obviously it's been posted. I promise the end result will be worth this. I'm gonna pour some of this out. There we go, because we want it murky but not too murky. Okay. Anyways, let's see if adding more normal water, clear water or whatever will help. Oh, that is perfect! I pour a little bit out, so it's a little bit overflowing. Is that? A little bit more. This is so beautiful and perfect. So why is the water kind of warm? What the fuck? Let's dry this thing off. But yeah, this is what you want. This is perfect. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay, I think I give it a bit of a stir. This is kind of how it feels when you're a kid and you're sorry, I'm kind of laughing at the way she's spinning in it. Look at her go. Wow. Yeah, this kind of reminds me of when you're a kid and you're like in the garden mixing up leaves and your mom's shampoo and like all these different things to make a potion. But yeah, anyways, moving her out the way. I was actually gonna originally add like glue into the bottom of this to hold her down, not for it to look like anything else, you know? And then my mom came into my room one time and saw it on my shelf and asked why it was in a jar. And then I thought maybe the glue was a good idea not to add. Because you imagine your mom walks in and is like, oh, why'd you have this? And what's all the white fluids in there? I should stop talking. Anyway, so if you like, you can add some little charms in here. That's why we have the beads. I think white is a good choice here. Get a spoonful. Only a spoonful. Okay. I'm gonna put... Well, actually, I have different white beads as well. Hold on. Should I add? I think I might add some yellow beads as well, maybe. This is so satisfying. This is so fun. I hope you guys are enjoying this. That's all she's getting. Now we add some glitter. We'll open the big side actually. Of course it's white glitter. That's what you need. Maybe a bit much. And I got mica powder. I've literally never used this, but I saw it. Like, what's the price in this? $4.55. And decided I'm gonna get this, why not? And we have all the colours of the rainbow, but of course the colour we're going in is white. I might add a bit of yellow in there as well. Or maybe I'll see how the white is. Oh, I didn't know how to do that. I'll see how the white is first and then see. I know I am so shocked over this. Like, that makes sense because, you know, you want to avoid spillage. Oh. Got on my finger there. It's very... Oh. Can't even get a spoon out of this, really. Okay. I'm gonna have to gently... No, I'm sure that's not too much. Let me give it a stir. Oh, this is whimsical. This is perfect. Maybe this was a good video idea after all. Look how good this looks. Oh, hell yeah. It's like a magical potion. Look at this. Wow, and then you can see Rainbow Dash in there as well. Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect. I'm gluing the lid on. I wanna. Oh my god, I should like. Wait, like screw a little. Like a. I don't know what you call it. I should just screw the. Oh my god, what the fuck is it called? I don't know what it's called, but it's like long and it has a hole at the circle on the top, the hole, and like you screw it in and you can like put ribbon through it and hang it on the Christmas tree. Maybe not actually, maybe not. I don't like how this is warm as well. I don't really understand why it's warm. This is kind of beautiful though. This really is like coming out better than I expected. Wow, this is so exciting. Do I add more makeup powder? I don't think if the camera is picking up how beautiful this is. Beautiful to me. Oh, focus. No, it's not focus. Focus on any. Oh, there we go. Yeah, look at that. I might put a teeny drop more in. I'm feeling extra whimsical today. That was maybe more than a teeny drop, but feel it. Oh, it splashed out. Why is it not focusing? Oh my god, okay. Ignore all the spillage on the table. That was kind of gross. Yeah. This is so magical, honestly. Wow. Can we, wait, why won't it focus? This is so freaking good. I'm sorry as well, this is actually such a nothing video. Like, honestly, what the fuck am I doing? I don't even know myself. But yeah, so now we're gonna break off a jar. It's also Snowman. Oh, Snow Dog as well. Picture all. Very fit for the occasion. Let me just kind of wipe off. Okay, I don't think the camera's picking up that very well, but the colour of that looks disgusting. Oh god. This to be contained forever. This is whimsical. I was gonna free her after this, but then I decided, no, this is too good. Is there even glue left in this? Maybe there's not glue left in this. Wait a minute. You guys can see this. Oh, a tiny bit, a tiny bit. Okay, I think that's enough glue. Barely see it. Now we gotta attach. Oh, Home Sweet Home. I didn't realize I said that. That's kind of magical. Doesn't really want to stick on actually. Oh, I got glue in my sleeve. Should put the lid next door actually. Oh. I really want to. Imagine if I did that and the jar fucking like shattered. Yeah, I'm not strong enough to do that, never mind. But still. I want to do a part 2 to this, and I kind of want to do a part 2 to this and it just be like a FNAF jar. I got glue on the part that's like not even like touching the glass. Not very good at this. Oh, is it even like sticking? I don't even think it's sticking very well to this actually. Ugh. I should invest into a better jar. But you know what this beautiful jar needs to be fully finished? A bow. And I will put glue on the bow so it is forever permanent. Even though it already has sticky stuff on it, to like stick it, I feel like that's gonna fall off because these are like cheap and not that good. A generous dollop of glue, which you probably can't really see on here. And here we are. Making sure that's center. Gotta push it on there. Oh, it's, yeah, that's not like, wait, I'm gonna have to hold it down. God damn. So here we have the finished product. This is a really good, fun craft. Your family and friends are gonna love you if you make them this. Because who wouldn't love this? It came out so beautiful and whimsical. Look at that. She's so happy to be in there. Oh, never mind. Wow. I can't wait to watch all this back. I mean, this is a massive waste of time. But I had fun. I had fun. And maybe you will also watch this and have fun and make your own whimsical little jar. She's so happy to be in there. She's so happy. Okay, I wasted my last bit of storage on that other clip. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please bust all over that like button. Okay, just wanted to add this in. The day after recording this video, my friend gave me this keyring. The timing could not be any more perfect. They did not know I was recording this video either, so I don't know. They could like sense it maybe.